Welcome to this technical guide on the Nintendo 3DS XL. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a non-responsive touchscreen on your Nintendo 3DS XL, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to wear and tear, or sometimes, it may be caused by a disconnection within the device. If left unattended, it can lead to further complications, making your console less enjoyable to use. To fix this problem, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement touchscreen, and some tweezers. First, ensure that your Nintendo 3DS XL is powered off to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Carefully use your plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover of the device. Take your time with this step, as rushing may damage the casing. Once the back cover is removed, locate the touch screen connector. It's usually situated near the top of the device. Gently disconnect the cable attached to it using your tweezers. You may need to remove a few screws, typically Phillips type, to free the touch screen from the device. Remember to keep track of the screws, as they can be quite small. When removing the old touch screen, be cautious of the surrounding components to avoid any accidental damage. Once the old touch screen is out, you can insert the new one. Ensure it fits snugly into place, and then reconnect the touch screen cable carefully. Apply gentle pressure to secure the connection. After that, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened adequately but not overly so, as this could strip the screws or damage the device. Before closing the device, power it on to test if the new touch screen is functioning properly. If it works, proceed to close the back cover securely. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from arising again, make sure to keep your device clean and avoid applying excessive pressure on the touch screen. Additionally, consider using a protective case to safeguard against accidental damage. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.